Right here's a little bird and it just pooped. I spotted like around 5 of these this morning, sitting on top of a loquat tree. Too bad it's not turning around so you can see its face, and it's the best angle I could get. Anywho, it's still a baby, but it's still pretty big though. Then over here, is a hummingbird in its nest. Right there. I'm not sure how many eggs it has in there. I'm assuming there's 2. I just don't want to go over there and disturb it. But yeah, it seems like there's a lot of birds over here with their nests on our trees. And here goes one of them. But this is the only hummingbird I've seen so far. Well, there you go, and thanks for watching.